Hey, what's going on? My name's Bobby, and I just wanted to share this with you tonight. Do you hear that? Or do you smell it? I smell the bread, man. Awesome, man. Hetty Joe, my wife, woo! She's cooking me us, some bread, and the house is full of the smell of fresh baked bread, and she's got the garlic on top of it with some butter. She gave me a piece a while back, man. It was awesome. I just got to play the horn. Anyway, that's not a fan. That must be my drummer. So here goes. Woo. That smell, man. Hey, watch out. There's a mosquito. Don't let that mosquito bite you. It might have something bad for you. Anyway, I'm going to go kill that mosquito. But let me tell you, Emerald Coast Church tomorrow, Fort Walton Beach, Florida. We're going to have spaghetti meatballs. It's going to be out of this world. But we're also going to have Hetty Joe's bread with that garlic smell. Fresh baked bread just does something for me. You know what I'm saying? I love it. Emerald Coast Church tomorrow. That's Sunday. Emerald Coast Church. It's on 1st Street in Fort Walton Beach, Florida. Be there. Enjoy the food. It's donational. You know, donation. If you don't have any money, that's fine. Come enjoy it anyway. We love you. My name's Bobby. My wife's Hetty. And we'll see you tomorrow at church. Bye-bye.